key. Care and maintenance. Before carrying out any maintenance or cleaning, be sure to turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. It is a good idea to change a needle after approximately 8 hours of sewing or when starting a new project. For embroidery sewing, Janome provides the blue tip needle. Blue tip needle, size number 11, included in the accessories, is suitable for a wide range of embroidery sewing. To change the needle, loosen the needle clamp screw and remove the needle. Insert a new needle with a flat side facing back. Push the needle up against the stopper and tighten the needle clamp screw securely with a screwdriver. Cleaning the machine. It is recommended that the hook area be cleaned at least once a month. Slide the hook cover plate release button to the right and remove the hook cover plate. Take the bobbin out from the bobbin holder. Remove the screw on the needle plate. Remove the needle plate and take out the bobbin holder. Clean the feed dog and hook race with a lint brush. Wipe the bobbin holder and inside of the hook race with a soft, dry cloth. Replace the bobbin holder in the hook race, making sure the knob fits next to the stopper of the hook race. Attach the needle plate and secure it with the screw. Insert the bobbin and attach the hook cover plate. Never use Benzol or other chemical solvents for cleaning the outside of the machine. Wipe the machine using a soft cloth soaked in warm water and neutral detergent. When carrying or storing the Memory Craft 9700, ensure that the embroidery carriage arm is fully retracted to avoid damage from impact with a cover or during transportation. Turn on the machine to retract the arm, then proceed to turn off the machine. Store your machine in a cool, dry place. Enjoy your Memory Craft 9700.